about that yesterday's joke about giving up. No way, I'm not giving up. And it's even every one of you will give up on me. I will keep going just because I promised it to myself that I will do it at least for 1 year. That's what I will do, and it doesn't matter what's going on around me. So it's like I'm keeping my promises. It's like if I said I will swim to that island and back, then I will swim, and it doesn't matter what's happening in a way on it. My shoulder can come out, but I will keep going because I promised it first of all to myself that I will accomplish it. The last thing what will come into my head when I will die will be, did I keep my promises to myself? Because that's one of the most important things. No giving up. Welcome to my channel, and there is the next video. Enjoy. Today's plan is to do a drift, the long drift we did before. This time also everybody is good breezes except me. If I need more air, I just take another tank. Weather is beautiful. 1st of April, salary day. Today we cut it a little bit, the trees, to make a little bit it like mushroom shape. So then it's making a shed around here. And that's it. So then we will see them again after 1 month. That's our diving family. We are like a family who's living separated. We meet only once a month. With some family members we meet a little bit often because Made is driving, Vajan is praying, and Puto working online. She is always on her phone. If not, Laura needs something, then she's always ordering the tanks and other stuff. So she's online stuff. I have a feeling that to Amed comes only people who already spend all their money on a house, for partying, for expensive attractions, and then they coming to the Amed bargaining about the prices. And diving is not exception. The diving is diving, and actually I've been invested in my education. I've been investing in my experience, and why should be cheap? I can guarantee you that you will get best experience possible here in Amed if you will dive with me. If you want to get the best experience, come to me. If it's the only thing what you care about is the price, go somewhere else. Don't come here, because I will not do it for free. This is not the charity. People pay 20 million for villa in the south. People pay $40,000 for 3-day, like a kind of yacht trip or motorboat trip. But at the same time they're bargaining about diving, which costs only $30. Where's the logic? I think, guys, you are just trying to like pushing on us and checking out. But you have to remember that most people around here, they are on their knees. They have to feed the families, and sometimes they are not really strong in mathematics. And then finally you got your service, you are super happy, and you are kind of proud of yourself that you'll be able to bargain and negotiate about the price you want. But at the same time, these people, when they start counting money, they got the money from you, but they start counting money and they understand they've been working for free. I think it's a shame on you. Sorry I'm talking about this, but I don't give a shit what you will say after this about me. That's true. And if it's a true, there's no point to be offended. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.